We are here to celebrate 10 years of nutritional support for our students. I had the opportunity to work in a school with a lot of high needs. And on Friday afternoons, I would see more tears out of kindergartners, out of 5-year-olds who would not want to get on the bus. They did not want to go home. And it wasn't so much about who they were going home to, it really was about what they didn't have to eat when they went home for that weekend, and that there could be the potential that they had their last meal on Friday and that they didn't have a good meal until Monday.
This is how we make the packs. The packs they consist of 7 items. I mean, I was on the other side of this problem, and there's nothing more distracting than a hungry child. So I really want to thank every single person in here today for coming, because you really make a difference in someone's life.
My students here, they're excited and they're just ready to work, and I love them to death.
It really was moving from a snack-based program to a meal-based program.
It comes with chicken noodle soup, 2 raisin boxes, a strawberry cobbler cereal bar, pudding, yes, ma'am, beefaroni, applesauce, and canned chicken breasts. We can get a lot of these bags to a lot of kids, and it does a lot of good.
Somebody at home is gonna be thankful, being like, yo, I'm so glad I got this. And we're just gonna be sitting back like, you're welcome.
Back to Back is looking for sponsors, and any amount of help that you possibly may have is more than appreciated.